last video, I help you to create your own token. Now today, I will help you to create a lock sale token, or you can call Honeypot token or cannot sell token. First, create a new file. Use your name, anything you want. Honeypot. Okay, and copy my code. We go to the line and change name. Name August. Yeah, I'm doing Metaverse. Okay, now I add more decimal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now I go to combine the token. Honeypot. Okay, I have created my Metaverse token. Now, okay, my token have created a look at this. Đây, here, my Metaverse token had already created. Now, I need to add my liquidity. I go to pancake swap and pancake swap. BNB, my Metaverse token, and anything you want. Like I just input amount. Okay, I already approved my own token, and I need to supply my liquidity. Okay, now I can go to a train to see my own token. Metaverse. Here, this is my wallet, so I need to change another wallet. I will send this to my another wallet. Okay, come here. I will send. Okay, this is another wallet. This is not the gray token wallet. So now I will use this wallet to buy my gray token, and we will see Could I sell my token? Here, this is my red token and another wallet. I will join it wallet. Join Metaverse. I will buy one. Not too high because my liquidity is too small. Okay, I can buy it. I will have now you can see I already have 243 metaverse, and now I will try to sell it. Okay, here we go. You can check on your pool coin. With that, all your token has launching. See, my token already buy and sell. I'm had buy 1.55 for 243. Now we will try to sell it. No, yeah, we can't sell it. Anybody can sell it. So how we take the profit from this contract? Now we take back to our wallet. Here, this is my relation to wallet. I go to liquidity and take it back and remove liquidity. Enable. Yeah, now here we get back our liquidity. Do you remember that I had put and another here? So that's how we take the profit. Này, we had take maybe 0.00009 BNB. Not bad at all. This is my Honeypot contract token. Please enjoy that and DM me if you want the contract.